Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Here we are going to discuss about the topic called anonymization of centralized and distributed social network by sequential clustering. Let us see the abstract of this project. The project focuses on privacy preservation in social network. We consider the distributed settings in which the network data is split between several data holders. The goal is to arrive at an anonymized view of unified network without revealing to any of the data holder information about link between nodes that are controlled by other data holders. To that end, we start with the centralized setting and offer two variants of an anonymization algorithm, which is based on sequential clustering. Our algorithm significantly outperformed the Sangria algorithm due to campaign and Tuta, which is the leading algorithm for achieving anonymity in network by means of clustering. We then devise a secure distributed version of our algorithm to the best of our knowledge. This is the first study of privacy preservation in distributed social network. We conclude by outlining the future research proposal in that direction. Let us see the data flow diagram of this project. First, the user need to load the user dataset, which consists of user personal detail like their name, age, work category, like that detail, and then cluster it into the sequence based on the common factor. After that, store the cluster into the database, which can be retrieved for anonymization. After that, check the anonymity condition for valid age groups and gender groups. After getting the result, get hide the personal details, that is the personal detail like age, their working category, like that. After that, hide the link, this friends group, like that link we have to hide. In this way we can protect the personal data from social network. Let us see the running procedure of this project. Run home.java. This is the home page. Click the button to navigate. First load the data set, which is in the path of D drive. Then with then anonymization of central database dataset. Wait until all the records get loaded to the database. After all the insertion get completed, the data will get loaded. After, we should click that view data button. These are all the personal record which is in the dataset. For example, their age groups, their role ID, their education. These are all the details in that dataset. After the dataset get loaded, we can see that dataset. Once it get completed, click view data button. This is the dataset which contains of the person's ID, their workstation like private or government, like that. After their role val numbers, their education, age, their marital status, like that. Click next button to navigate. These are all the cluster which is based on sequential, which can be performed based on sequence, like particular sequences. Click next button. Click the next cluster. There are totally 8 clusters are there. The C cluster get formed based on sequences. Click next button. This is the information loss. The information loss is due to the moving a data from one cluster to another cluster. The total record count and the count number 2 and their information loss records. Click next button. This is all the entire player details. The player is nothing but the user in that particular groups. Passing one consists of the user who belongs to the male category and their age group is between 20. Passing two consists of the female groups which age groups is below 20. Click next button. To hide private data for pass detail 1, click hide private data for pass 1. If you want to hide the private detail of passing 2, click this button. This is all the record personal detail which get hidden in a social network, which is based on the clusters. Next button. Hiding the link of the friends group. This is shown in this link. Hiding a link which friends group they belongs to. And this is our final result, which get hidden the entire personal records in a social network, which provides a privacy. That's the graph for maintaining the privacy. These are all the anonymity levels which which the group can be anonymized, and these are all the node count. Thank you for watching.